Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Blender on our Mac operating system. But the steps will be the similar on Windows operating system or any other operating system also. So let's get started. So at first we need to open any browser. You can open any of your favorite browser and after that you have to type this address blender.org. Once you type this thing and then press enter or return key of your keyboard and you will go to this website. This is the official website of Blender. From here we need to download Blender. So based on this website, right now we are seeing the latest version of Blender is 2.83.5. We'll install this one. At first we need to download and then after that we will install this software. So when you will be in this Blender homepage, by default you will see this type of download option from where you can download Blender. But if for your case, I mean for your computer, if you don't find this type of download link, then the other alternate option is to go to this download menu. In the top of the website, you will see several menus like features, download, support, and so on. So our target is to download and install Blender. So at first we need to click this download. Once we click download, the download page of Blender it will be appeared and by default it will try to understand what operating system you are using and based on that it will give you option at the top. Okay, so I am using on Mac computer and my operating system name is Mac OS, and here we are seeing that it is clearly showing Mac OS and the download link of Blender of 2.83.5 this version, and I need 194 megabyte of space to download this software. If you are using Windows or other operating system, you can also download the Blender from this link. Here you will see Windows, Linux and other version. Here you will see all the versions of Blender which are available till today. Okay, for your case it might be changed based on your requirement and the changes Blender will do. You will see those download option. Okay, anyway, let's download Blender for Mac OS. So I'm going to hit this download button to start downloading the Blender. So I'm going to hit, once I click hit, it will start downloading and you will see in the bottom of the browser that it started downloading. And I told you it is 194 megabyte because we saw at that time, and it will take couple of seconds to couple of minutes based on your internet speed. For my case, it will take like 30 seconds to complete the download. For your case, it might be more, it might be require more time or less based on your internet speed. So once the download is finished, then we need to go to the download location because we need to install the software. For my case, the download location is the downloads folder. Okay, so I see the Blender 2.83 version is already downloaded successfully in our computer. So I'm going to minimize this thing and I'm going to open the Finder. And once I open the Finder, I'm going to open the downloads folder. And once we are in the downloads folder, we'll see that the Blender DMG file is there. This is the installer of Blender. So here the extension is DMG, this file which is downloaded. So we will use this file to install Blender. So to start installation of Blender, at first we need to download, which you already did. Now what we have to do, we have to double click on top of it. I just double clicked and then it will give this type of prompt. It will try to install the software on our computer. Just stay for few seconds to few minutes and then you will see this type of thing. Here you will see two things. One is Blender app and there is shortcut. So what we have to do, we need to drag this Blender icon to application so that next time we can easily access from the application. So I'm going to drag and then I'm dropping here, and when I'll move my cursor, I mean icon on top of it, you will see a plus and then it will be installed in this application folder and it will take few seconds. Here you are seeing that it takes some time. like few seconds, and after that it installed. And here we will see that Blender is located under applications folder, and it has 479.3 megabyte of space. Okay, so I'm going to close this thing, and also going to close this thing because we don't need. So close, and also this one I don't need, I'm going to close. Okay, now let's open the application or check where the application is located. If we go to the finder, there is a menu, it's called Go. Just click there and go to the applications folder. Okay, application, like menu. So I'm going to hit applications, and once I click application, then it will open all the installed application of your Mac. And here you will see blender.app is there, so you can double click on top of it, and the Blender will be open shortly. So there is another way, I mean the shortcut way, which is very easy to open Blender, and it is very faster. You don't need to go like this way. You have to open finder, then go, and then application. From application you have to search like this way. You don't need to do this thing. So I'm going to close this thing, and now I will show you how to open Blender very easily and very fast. So for opening the Blender, at first hold Command key and spacebar all together, and you will see the Spotlight search will be appeared. Here we just need to have to type Blender, and if we just type like 3 or 4 letters, it will show you the Blender app is there. Okay, so once you type the 3 letters, or you can even write the whole thing, it matters. It actually depends on you whether you want to write it full or small. For my case, I feel like 2 3 letters if I type, then it will automatically show. So once I find this Blender, what we have to do, we have to double click on top of it to start Blender. And once I click, I mean double click on top of that icon, it will take few seconds because it is verifying something. And for the first time it will give you this type of warning, like blender.app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We want to open it, right? Because we will use this thing. So I'm going to hit open, and then once we hit open, then the Blender will be opened shortly. So this is the latest version of Blender, and we just open like this way. Okay, so here for the first time as we started, we got that warning, but from next time we will not get that type of warning. So let's do one thing. Let me close this thing. I'm pressing command key and Q all together, so it will close. That means it will quiet. Now I will try to open Blender one more time, and we'll check whether that warning message is coming or not. So to open Blender, I told you there are 2 ways. Right now, I just showed you, but for this time, I mean now I will open Blender with shortcut mode. I'm holding command key and spacebar all together, and then the Spotlight search opened, and I have to type BLE, enter Blender. I just type first 3 letters, and it is popping this thing, and then I'm hitting return key, and the Blender application will be opened very shortly, and we'll see this type of window. So that's all guys. In this way you can easily download, install, and run Blender, and then you can start your own animation or own character. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial. I believe after watching this you will able to download, install, and run Blender software or application on your Mac computer. For Windows it will be the similar, you just need to download and you have to go like that way. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, or if you feel this video is useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.